This is everything to anyone who has flat, limp hair. That's me. And how easy it is for you to wake up that If you're over 30, you've probably already noticed that your hair, your skin, your nails are not behaving the way they used to, then this video is for you. Hey girl, I'm Sonia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've partnered with Walmart to show you a few viral beauty products. Spoiler alert, everything works, okay? And they're viral for a reason, and we're gonna get into that. But before we do, if you have yet to join my family, please consider hitting that like, share, and subscribe button now. And let's get into it. I want to say the first product I'm going to share with you is the most popular, the most viral, and the most sold out product. Okay, I'm surprised I even got it. Would it have to be anything from the CosRx Snail Mucin line? Yes, Snail Mucin. You're like, what? This is an all-in-one product. It's packed with hydration and it helps repair your skin's barrier. At this point, I'm going to try anything and this glow's insane. The way that it absorbs quickly into the skin, that tackiness definitely goes away, so you're not gonna be a slime ball walking around, I promise. This is actually my second bottle of their essence. I've never seen my skin so hydrated, like ever. If your skin is feeling dehydrated, kind of dull, and just like bleh, this combo is gonna give you that beautiful glow, that glass skin that everyone's after, except for it's gonna last. And you can even put your makeup on top of it. Check, check, yes. This is the Glam Wave infrared brush from Lange. I have something very similar to this, but mine is a lot smaller and a little bit wider. So I definitely suggest getting something that will cover so much more hair. I feel like all other products come in either black or pink, but of course I went with black. Let's start at 340. Oh, it's already hot. Okay. It does have infrared technology and it reduces the surface damage, which also helps to reduce frizz. Wow. Okay, the good thing is my hair is not getting caught. Do you see this? Incredible. Okay, so what's gonna happen if I add a little bit of that Raise the Root from Color Wow to my bangs? Spray this directly to your roots. Hopefully I didn't spray too much, but we're just gonna go with it, okay? I don't want to turn the camera off. I don't want there to be any breaks. Okay, am I doing this right? Girl! She works? Oh my god. This makes sense. I could understand why someone would be obsessed with this. It's gone viral because it gives you that lift and that volume without being crunchy or your hair turning. I mean, look at my hair. It's still super shiny up here. But from now on, you're gonna see me with my hair up to the sky. Unless I run out. These products together give you that finished look of almost like if you went to one of those blowout bars. It's really easy, so save your money and do it yourself. Next is going to be a product from Bare Minerals, and this is a bronzer. And it's exactly what it sounds like, blush and bronzer smashed together. Not only is it really pigmented, but it's gonna give you that really nice, soft glow to your skin while adding color at the same time. So you're gonna get sun-kissed look without a shimmer overload. We don't need glitter on our face, okay? If you're looking to reduce products in your makeup routine, this is great because it's 2-in-1 and you're gonna be out the door even faster. I personally stopped going to salons many years ago because I just was disappointed every time that I left, and it's getting so expensive, it's insane. Like this set, if I were to ask for this, I'm not even joking when I say it's almost $200. Like that doesn't make any sense to me, especially if you can get the same manicure using a kit like this from Glamnetics, and it'll take you like maybe 10 minutes. Adding a little spot of glue there, you give it a good press, you hold it for a couple of seconds, and you're ready to move on to the next. They've got the coolest, trendiest designs. I got both the Silver Cat Eye and then the French Riviera Navy tips. Both of them are short almond styles that look super classy, but also really trendy. When you're ready to take these off or switch to another style, you can easily remove these without damaging your nails. Glamnetic has their own remover. It looks like this. I'm like, oh, it's kind of fancy, all right. This is formulated without acetone, so it's not gonna be extra crazy drying. They're just gonna help to make these pop off, especially if you have like a professional job where you can't wear like fun, crazy prints or maybe even the length. You want to wear them for just like a special occasion. These are perfect. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Another thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video, and to you guys for watching all the way to the end. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please consider hitting that like button now to see more videos like this. And once more, if you guys would like to shop any of the products in today's video, you can find all of these premium beauty products and more on walmart.com, or check out the list of links in the description box down below. Everything is in order of appearance. Also, let me know in the comments what product you're the most excited to try, and if there's anything that you think I should try on camera for you guys, or something that you're interested in, let me know down there as well. And as always, take care, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.